Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add constant contact to GoDaddy. For example, you wanted to have an inline form, it could be a sign-up form for your GoDaddy website. So first up, go ahead and click on Edit. All right. As you can see here, I'm only using the free trial, but I'll make you understand as much as I could on how to add in a form right here at the bottom. Okay. Using constant contact. Okay. As you can see here, it is this one is a template. So all you have to do here first is look for the HTML section, okay, where you can put your custom code. And as you can see here, it's not available for the free version. But let's say, for example, that you have located the HTML section. All right. For example, this one is the HTML section where we would put our code. So the question now is, where do we find the code? So go ahead over to your constant contact. And here, go ahead and open up sign up forms. And then I'm going to want to create a sign up form. All right. As you can see here, I do have one. Let's create the one. Just click on create a sign up form. For example, we have pop-up flying out banner inline. All right. Just for this example, we're going to be using inline like so. Now from here under constant contact, you can go ahead and edit your form from here. For example, the title, contact fields, email lists, button, and the background. Okay, we have settings as well, like devices for mobile and desktop, and you can go ahead and hide the branding. All right, just tick on the check box. And once done, go ahead and hit on save. And here's what your form is going to look like. Okay, hit on save, minimize this one, wait for it to load. And once it loads, here you have your form. Okay, go to the three dots and then go ahead and click on view inline code. All you have to do is, it says here, paste this code where you want the form to be or to be displayed on your site. And I want to click on copy to clipboard, and again go to the HTML section, right click, hit on paste, and once done, don't forget to publish your website, and after that you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.